Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about like no contact situation, like what your person feelings, and we will be see their channel or message as well. Okay, so this reading is for the air element like Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, and yeah. So guys, if you're looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. Please give your support. Please give your support because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot, and it definitely helps to grow the channel as well. So let's start the reading for the air element like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius for the no contact situation. So let's see like what is going to be happen in this relationship and future. So bottom of the deck we get the Five of Coins, okay, and we get the Lovers, a major arcana card, and the first card we get the Three of Swords, okay, Nine of Coins, Eight of Wands, Hangman, Death, and the Temperance. Hmm. So right now I can see that you are also single and your person is also being single here. Okay. You may think that this person may try to be hang out with some other person, but they are not. They are not hanging with some other person. They're just waiting for you, that you need to be take some kind of an action, and you just waiting for them that they need to take some kind of an action, because I think that you guys may be like maybe in a separation from a past 1 year or past 2 year, and you're still waiting for this person like when they will become and communicate with you, because you know that you maybe feel that this person is coming back in your life. You maybe see some kind of a dreams or something like that. Okay, so you're strongly believing on your intuition, or you maybe take some kind of a reading and it maybe turns in a positive way and you are waiting for your person. Okay, so there is some kind of a chances that some kind of a rebirth will be happening in this situation. The past was be like very very hard when it comes to this person for the air element. I can see that it has been like a very painful for you. It has been like a very painful moment that this person may treated you yeah, they not treated you in a proper way. They have been like they have done some kind of a betrayal. They may be use some kind of an harsh words, or they may be hurt your heart in a very they may be broke your heart in a very bad way. Okay, so you maybe feel some kind of a cruel, or else you maybe feel some kind of an very much cold hearted energy when it comes to your person. Okay, so whatever they have been done, I think that this person have been gone through some kind of a dark night of the soul kind of an energy. Okay, so this person may learn a lot, and this person do face some kind of a karmas because of their activities. Okay, because of their behavior or activities. I'm so sorry to say this because I can see a lot of major arcana cards here. Okay, so your person have been gone through some kind of a major issue, so that's the reason this person now try to find out. Now they are trying to see something right in their life. Now they are opening up. Okay, in a very positive way. So that's the reason I can see that this person may try to bring some kind of a balance in your relationship, or else this person will try to bring some kind of a balance between you, between both of you. Okay, so you may be dealing with any kind of a Libra, or you may be dealing with any kind of a Sagittarius, or you may be deal with any kind of a Taurus kind of an element. Okay, in Scorpio as well. Sagittarius has been like very very dominant here, and as well as like Scorpio and Virgo energy is also very dominant here. Yeah, Pisces as well. So Virgo and Scorpio energy and Sagittarius energies be like very very dominant here when it comes to this reading. So overall, I can see that there is some kind of a rebirth will be happen. Yet you know that this person will try to come back and communicate. But still, you are be in your pathway that it's okay. Whenever this person will come, I will be take care of it. But right now, I need to be focused on my career. So you are being this energy, and you are becoming very very powerful, and you are going into very successful pathway. So this person is feeling, this person is seeing your success, this person is seeing you from the far. And right now I can see that maybe for some kind of a people, this person may try to contact you on the August month as well, or like on the August month as well. Okay, you maybe received any kind of a text messages from this person on the August month itself. Okay, because there is some kind of an energy. I can see that this person may try to reach you on the past, or going to reach you in the future. Okay, but there is a strong communication is coming in from this person. And but I'm not saying that this person will give you some kind of a strong commitment or strong commitment offer, because I'm not took the card for that. I'm just saying that what will be happening in the future. So again, in the future, I can see there is some kind of a reconciliation will be happening in the near future, future, or it may be happen on the past for some kind of people. And one thing you can understand that this person is right now they are trying to be open up in a very right way, or else their way of approach is be in a positive way. But somehow this person have been hurted in the past. This person have been like break your trust, so that you are be like guard up. Still you are be like guard up. You may be taking some kind of a time to think about this, because you are not welcoming this person. Even though you are welcoming this person, but you are not welcoming them like wholeheartedly, like full hearted, because you know that something this person will try to drag your energy, or else they will be play some kind of a mind game. So these are the things I can see in your reading. So let's see about your person channel messages as well for the air element, like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. I'm getting a lot of messages here. I have so much desire for you. Yes, you can see this. This person is feeling very, very passionate now. This person have like a lot of. This person is holding a lot of energy when it comes to you. They are feeling very much positive energy when it comes to you. Okay, be more selfish. Yeah, they may be thinking that you are be like a very giving and nurturing kind of a person. So that's the reason this person is wanting to say you that be more selfish, because they are feeling that they need to protect you somewhere. I miss you, do you? Yes, this person is missing you. Okay, and this person is seeing you from the far, that you are trying to be focused on your career, you are trying to be focused on your goal, you are be like focusing on your focusing be like an goal oriented kind of a person. So right now this person is feeling somehow like fear that they may lose you forever. Okay, happiness is my priority. Yes, this could be your energy, and this could be their your person energy as well. So right now their happiness is about you. Wrongful advice. Okay, so maybe on the past with this separation maybe happened due to some kind of an other person influence, any kind of a toxic person. I'm obsessed with your body. You can see that how much this person is be like very much obsessed with you. Do you even see me that way? So again this person have that kind of a doubtful energy, that you are still be taking care of this person, you are still be into their love or not. Have I lost everything again? So this could be their energy, that they are still be in this kind of a crossroad, they are still be in this kind of a dilemma kind of a mindset. They doesn't know like how you will be react, if at all they are coming back, or if at all they may be trying to contact you, or they may be contacted with you in a earlier but still they are feeling this much kind of a dicey mindset, that you will try to understand them or not, because they know that how much mistake they have been done in the past, and how much they have been hurted you on the past. I'm absolutely in love with you, you can say this. And so right now this person is feeling a very intense and deep connection when it comes to you. Okay, they are feeling very much attracted towards your aura. It's not about your body, towards your aura this person is feeling very much attracted towards you. Now it's up to you, your element, that you need to choose this person in your life or not, because I can see that right now it's be like a runner or chaser kind of a dynamic. You are be like trying to be focused on your life, and you are trying to be, even though you like this person, but still right now we are giving your 100% or 90% priority towards your own life and your own career goals. But right now this person is focusing on your side. Okay, when you need this person was not been available on that time. Right now you have been healed and you have been doing your work, and right now you don't think about this person. Their presence and absence is not matter for you. But right now this person is chasing towards you, this person is now you are being like a runner. So this kind of an energy I can see from your person and your from your end as well. So yeah, take a good decision when it comes to your life, and I hope my reading have given you some kind of a clarity, so that you maybe take some kind of a good decision when it comes to your life. Okay, so these are the energies I can see for the air element. I hope it could be resonating with you. I hope it could be bring some kind of a clarity. So guys, if at all you like my reading, if at all it is resonating with you, please give a like, share, and subscribe. Please do subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So guys, if at all you need any kind of a personal reading, you can definitely reach out either on my WhatsApp or Instagram. You can reach out. Okay, both the details have been given below, and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. And if at all you're looking my channel for the very if at all you're looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So guys, please give your support, because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot, and will definitely helps to grow the channel as well. And if at all your friends and followers may love tarring, please do recommend my channel to them. And guys, again, I want to repeat the same thing. Please give your support. Please give your support. So see you guys in the next video. Until love you all. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.